What once looked like trash now powers the future.
Here, recycled minerals begin a second life. Nickel recovery is equally important.
That matches the alibi timeline. We need to cross-reference with traffic cam footage from 3:17 p.m.
Every year, millions of batteries reach the end of their lives across America.
But what happens when those powerful batteries stop working?
This mill brings down tons of batteries every year.
Before recycling begins, every battery is carefully inspected.
Even a small mistake could trigger a dangerous fire.
That is why safety is the factory's highest priority.
Once approved, the batteries move to the discharge station. Now the batteries are safe enough to enter the shredding line. The shredded material contains some of the world's most valuable minerals.
Hidden inside are lithium, nickel, cobalt, and copper.
Powerful magnets begin the separation process. Different metals are sorted with incredible accuracy.
The most valuable material is known as black mass. Engineers call black mass the gold mine of modern batteries.
Now the material enters a highly controlled refining process.
Every step is monitored around the clock.
Artificial intelligence helps maximize material recovery. Even tiny amounts of valuable minerals are carefully captured.
The next stage uses powerful chemical reactions.
Purity levels must meet strict battery industry standards. Recovered lithium is one of the factory's most valuable products.
Demand for lithium continues to rise worldwide.
Nickel recovery is equally important.
Cobalt remains one of the
That means fewer resources extracted from the earth.
Battery recycling is becoming a strategic national industry. Every container is carefully tracked and documented.
Most shipments head directly to battery manufacturers.
Here, recycled minerals begin a second life. Next comes the production of battery cathodes. These components determine battery performance.
Factories operate day and night to meet growing demand. Without recycling, experts predict explosive growth in the years ahead.
And this factory is preparing for that future today.
Behind this operation is an investment worth billions of dollars. Building facilities like this requires enormous capital and automation keeps production moving around the clock.
Thousands of sensors monitor every stage.
Even a small improvement can save millions. The factory consumes massive amounts of energy.
This helps reduce the industry's carbon footprint.
Environmental benefits extend far beyond the factory walls.
That means less land disturbance and lower emissions.
That means less land disturbance and lower emissions.
The industry is creating thousands of new jobs. Workers receive specialized technical training.
Companies race to recover materials more efficiently.
New breakthroughs are happening every year.
Future factories may recover nearly every valuable element.
The battery recycling revolution is only beginning. Experts believe the market could soon be worth hundreds of billions.
Demand for electric vehicles continues to accelerate.
Every new vehicle will eventually need battery recycling. That creates an endless cycle of valuable materials. This process is changing how America manages resources.
Factories are becoming smarter every year.
Engineers are working to recover even more materials.
Some facilities already recover more than 90%. Meanwhile,
America is racing to become a global recycling leader. Billions of dollars continue to flow into new projects. From waste comes one of the world's most valuable resources. What once looked like trash now powers the future.
the journey begins with a single-used battery.
And ends with materials ready for another generation.
This is how America is turning old batteries into the future.